This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 25 Resource Management II. Resource management plays a critical role in optimizing cloud services, aiming to maximize resource utilization, minimize costs, and ensure quality of service and adherence to service level agreements. Cloud computing offers distinct services like infrastructure, platform, and software as a service, each catering to different user types. An efficient resource management handles the allocation of physical and logical resources for users and applications. Achieving scalability, quality of service, optimal overhead, improved throughput, reduced latency, cost-effectiveness, and user-friendliness are among the broad objectives of resource management, which requires coordinating various resources like CPU, memory, storage, network, sensors, and logical components. Provisioning, allocation, adaptation, mapping, modeling, estimation, discovery, brokering, and scheduling are key aspects of resource management, with provisioning focused on allocating and providing resources, allocation dealing with distribution, adaptation allowing dynamic adjustment, and mapping matching user requirements with available resources. Resource provisioning approaches include game theory, network queuing models, key means clustering, scheduling algorithms like earliest deadline, first dynamic resource management, and considering demand and price uncertainty. While allocation approaches involve market-oriented mechanisms, multi-agent models, energy-aware allocation, performance measurement-based analysis, and real-time and dynamic scheduling and consolidation mechanisms. Resource mapping techniques encompass load-aware mapping, iterated local search for request partitioning, virtual application mapping to substrate networks, and adaptation approaches like reinforced learning, guided control policies, web service-based prototypes, virtual networks, DNA-based load balancing, and hybrid techniques. Evaluating the performance of resource management approaches relies on metrics such as reliability, deployment ease, quality of service, scalability, ease of use, and control over resource management mechanisms, with different user requirements demanding varied focus on reliability, quality of service, delay accuracy, and other aspects. In summary, resource management optimizes resource utilization, costs, and quality of service, coordinating physical and logical resources for optimal performance, aiming for scalability, throughput latency, and cost-effectiveness, with key aspects like provisioning, location adaptation, and mapping, leveraging techniques like game theory, clustering, schedulers, market models, energy-aware allocation, real-time scheduling, load-aware mapping, virtual application mapping, and adaptation via learning, policies, prototypes, and hybrid techniques, while being evaluated based on metrics like reliability, quality of service, scalability, and ease of use. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.